Oh guys, if you're on the Discord, you know, today wasn't feeling right. Yesterday I had one beer. I'm not 20 anymore. Okay, time to get to work. 30-day poster challenge, day 5. Let's see what were today's triggers. Complex simplicity, why so serious from the Dark Knight, and sustained focus. So I literally don't know what I'm gonna do. I have no idea whatsoever. These words mean nothing to me, like I'm getting nothing, but let's see what happens. I don't know. I don't want to do this today, but let's do it anyway. Let's go. Okay guys, just for the record, like let this be proof. I have literally nothing on my mind. Like all I see, it's blank everywhere I look. But let's just play around, let's see what happens. I think I'm drawn to the sustained focus thing or complex simplicity. I don't know. I'm gonna try to do something with that. Let's see what happens. No promises though. Still showed up, still doing the thing. Like many others on the group that I'm seeing, people that are struggling, they don't feel like doing the work, but they still show up and do it. Let's do it for them. Okay guys, so I came up with this sort of logo thing that turned out while I was trying to do some kind of cool graphic for the poster, and it is very reminiscent to me of the aesthetic of the Evangelion, you know, graphic and sort of logos they use for the series. So I thought of it like maybe some kind of dystopian future, you know, something that could go well maybe to do some sort of ad image or something like that really. But I think I really like how this sort of logo turned out, sort of new wave logo that live mostly on social media, so the logos can permit themselves or allow themselves actually to be more complex and transmits this sort of highly detailed aesthetic that normally you would advise against when trying to make a logo, because this, for example, wouldn't work as well when let's say you have to print it or whatever. But I think it transmits like a really cool vibe and I really like it, so I'm around with it. Now playing with ChatGPT, I came up with this like some sort of fantasy ad copy for, let's say it's a launch, right, of a Neuralink update, and it came up with some really cool, like for example these key features like automated cognitive rendering, machine learning interface. Super cool. I don't know, just wanted to show you one application. Let's say if you need to generate more hierarchy for your pieces and you really need to save time, and when I come up with something that really gives you something to work with, that's a good use for ChatGPT. Well, okay guys, these are the finished pieces, the logo, and then a quick ad creative sort of thing. At the end, I really like how it turned out. I'm really happy with the result. Cool vibe, really nice creating for the day. So that's it guys, I hope you like it. Remember to join the Discord and meet the other artists, meet the community that will be undertaking this challenge also with you. It's still early to join, and if you are watching this from the far future, then well, hope you like it. See you in the next one. Fuck peace, wish you conflict. She